Hello everybody, today we're going to be going over homework 3, which covers tuples. The first problem that we're going to be covering is write a Python program to ask the users to input the courses and professors in the semester. Tell the user input's done as a stop word. Put the courses and the professor names into a tuple and print out the tuple. So what we want to do first is create our tuple, which is just tuple equals parentheses, and now to get the while loop created, we do while true, and we do course equals input, and now we want to ask them to enter the course information. So please enter the course you are taking in this semester, and then if the course, well, I'll put this in parentheses, if course equals done, we want to print out our tuple, but we also want to break from the loop. So we put break, and then if it is not equal to done, we want to continue looping through and get the professor information. So we'll do professor input equals, please enter the professor's name for the course. And now if we do that, we'll do tuple equals tuple plus course, comma, oh, forgot the parenthesis, course. And then we will do tuple equals tuple plus prof. And now if we call this, we're going to say IT2431 with Dr. Cruz, and then we're going to do IT2530 with Dr. Shawan. And now when we type done, it gives us our finished tuple, and that is problem 1. Alright, so now we're going to be going over problem number 2. So problem 2 is write a Python program to ask users to input a string, put each word into a tuple, and find all the repeated words and their occurrences. So what we want to do is create our first input. So s equals input, please enter a string, and now we're going to create a tuple with the split from the user input. And now we're going to create a dictionary as well to get occurrence numbers. So now we want to make sure that we get the correct phrase that they are inputting. So we're going to print out the tuple that we created. And now we're going to create a for loop to go through these. So for x in phrase, if not x in words dot keys, words x equals 1, else words x plus equals 1. So this for loop is going to create, so if the x is not in the keys already, it will create it, and if it is, it will just add to the value there. And now we want to pull the words from the dictionary and counting them. So we're going to create for y in words, if words y is greater than 1, we want to print the repeated word plus y plus has words Y, occurrences, and tuple. Sorry, I wanted to focus on that to make sure I typed it out properly. This creates it so that you can have the quotation mark in the print statement. It's a little handy trick that helps out. So now if we call this function, we want to enter the string. I felt happy because I saw the others were, well, let me actually capitalize the I here. I saw the others were happy, and because I knew I should feel happy, but I wasn't really happy. So now if we call that, it prints out the tuple, and then the repeated word has 5 occurrences in the tuple. The happy has 4 occurrences, and because has 2 occurrences. And that is problem number 2 in homework 3. If you have any questions, please reach out.